In this video, we will discuss the learning goal and the engage stage for crickets. Remember, when teaching English, it's important to have an objective in mind, especially when our main focus is production. For example, based on Crickets 3, Unit 6, Week 2, the learning goal could be the following. Use vocabulary key: eating, hiding, kangaroo, lion, monkey, sleeping, swinging, tiger, zebra. 2. Describe what animals are doing in a group activity where they carry out the clay Pictionary. Crickets starts each lesson with a warm-up. With warm-ups, we raise our students' interest in the lesson. In this activity, Cricket suggests the teachers do a stand-up and sit-down activity. This is a kinesthetic activity. Kinesthetic activities are good as students learn from their mistakes. For this activity, Cricket suggests that we follow the TPR approach. What do? We ask our students to sit in a circle and we sit on a chair in front of them so that they can look at us well. While we sit on the chair, we have to ask them to stand up as we say the command, and they have to do it with us. Then we tell them to sit down as we sit down. They have to do it as we show them how to do it. Once we notice that they have understood the concepts of stand up and sit down, we can add more commands. For example, like jumping, clapping, snapping, so that all of the students do it at the same time. Engage 1, presentation of the language structure. Crickets ask us to do the activity work with the poster. In the work with the poster activity, we have to prepare the material beforehand. This material includes the Crickets puppets. What we do is that we call 2 students to come to the front as we display the poster. So we call a student and give 1 puppet to a boy or a girl, and the boy should be encouraged to say what the animals on the poster are doing. For example, if we see a couple of lions, we ask the student, what are the lions doing? The boy should be able to say roaring. If the student is unable to say roaring, we start imitating the sound until he is able to say the correct word. So, what do lions do? They roar, right? So, the student is familiarized with this and then remembers that lions roar. So, what is a lion doing? Roaring. We continue this same process with the rest of the animals. We have zebras, we have snakes, we have monkeys, and hippos. Cricket suggests that we do one then more engaged activity. So we have to do our engage 2. The activity that we have to do for engage 2 is called Be the First to Guess. As you will see in this example, we have prepared or we have used the classroom language cards. Why? Because they're easy to understand for students. So they have to tell you what Cricket is doing. So we divide the class into 2 teams, and we are going to show one of the Cricket classroom language cards, and they have to say what they are doing. But not the students that are called to the front, but in their teams. So, for example, I have this language classroom card of Crickets where he is singing, right? So we show it to both students. They have to turn around and mimic the action of Cricket to their classmates. The first team to guess and give the correct answer gets a point. It is a good idea to have an odd number of cards in case you have a tie. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to do your quiz at the end of this video. See you next time.